The Pope's trip to the US is so big, there are now emojis for the historic visit. He's so popular! Hey guys, I'm Lee Sheps, and this is Buzz60. In honor of Pope Francis's arrival, Twitter rolled out a series of emojis to help celebrate. Users can tweet the following hashtags to view the fun icons, and each automatically drops in a small corresponding image. For example, hashtag Pope in US drops in a cartoon pic of Pope Francis in front of the US flag. The Capitol building drops in when you tweet hashtag Pope in DC. For hashtag Pope in NYC, the Statue of Liberty pops up. And hashtag Pope in Philly gives you an icon of the Liberty Bell. Of course, people are already having fun with it. One person tweeted, "I need a Pope emoji to properly convey what I'm feeling." And Ben said, "The Pope emoji on hashtag Pope in US doesn't really look like him. Who do I complain to?" That would be Twitter, Ben. That's also where you'll need to complain when you start seeing too many Pope emojis in your Twitter feed. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.